How to find and delete search history on Amazon. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's not waste any more time and head to the video. First, you open the app, and here, for example, there is a search bar. Click on that, and here right now Epsom salt for foot I searched recently, so I'm going to click on the X mark here and I'll be able to remove it. That's how I removed my search history. But if you have a bunch of search history which you want to remove all at once, unfortunately you have to sit and do one. But for the second thing, the browsing history, if you want to delete your browsing history all at once, like previously browsed history, previously you opened any app and you want to browse it, click on the menu app here. Once you click on the menu app, click on accounts, and here you'll find multiple options, but you have to scroll down and click on your recently viewed items. Here currently I have no browsing history, but if you do have, click on settings here on the gear option, and here you can pause your history for today, 3 weeks or whatever, or you can click on remove items. Once you click on remove items, your whole browsing history will be cleared for a long period of time. Whatever you have searched, it will all be removed just in a tap. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.